Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best wooden utensils is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen, offering a blend of classic charm and practical functionality. They're durable, beautiful, and gentle on your cookware, making them a fantastic choice for both seasoned chefs and home cooks. Join me as we dive into the world of wooden cooking utensils, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect set for your culinary adventures. Number 5. Riveira Bamboo Wooden Spoons 6-Piece Kitchen Utensil Set. This wooden kitchen utensil set is designed for various kitchen tasks. The contoured heads and smooth handles make it easy to use. It includes everything you need for flipping, mixing, preparing, and serving. The set includes slotted, solid, and turner spatulas, along with solid and slotted spoons. These tools make cooking simple. You can easily flip omelets, mix ingredients, and prepare sauces with these utensils. Made from bamboo, this set is easy to clean with warm water and soap. The non-stick and durable material resists moisture, preventing mold. This ensures long-lasting use. You can enjoy years of use with this kitchen utensil set. It's a great gift for anyone who loves to cook. The bamboo construction ensures it will last. We are confident in the quality of these bamboo spoons. That's why we offer a limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty. If you're not satisfied, you can return it. What we like. This set features a practical design with contoured heads and comfortable handles, making cooking a breeze. It's also super easy to clean, just wash with warm water. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-maintain set that comes with a lifetime warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. Durable, I have placed them in the dishwasher with no issues. This is a nice sturdy set. I hand wash them. I got the natural bamboo set. Great for non-stick pans. I like the smoothness of the bamboo and hopefully they will last. Number 4. Wooden Spoons for Cooking, Natural Teak Utensil Set. This 12-piece set includes various spoons and spatulas for all your cooking needs. Whether you're flipping food or making sauces, these utensils will be your perfect kitchen companions. Made from natural teak wood, this set is durable and resistant to deformation and cracking. The beautiful wood grain adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, and it's a high-end kitchenware set. These wooden utensils are heat-resistant and won't melt or deform in high temperatures. They are also designed to protect your non-stick pans from scratches. Each spoon is made from whole wood and hand-polished for a smooth, splinter-free finish. The delicate feel will make you want to replace your old kitchen tools. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse with water and wipe. The hole at the end allows for easy hanging storage, saving space in your kitchen. What we like. This set includes a whopping 12 pieces, covering all your cooking needs. Made from natural teak wood, it's heat-resistant and safe for non-stick pans. If you are a cooking enthusiast who wants a comprehensive and durable set, this is a great choice. What people say. They are beautiful, offset, and cleanup is a breeze. Very sturdy and look great on your countertop too. Really great quality, easy to clean, and they look really nice. Number 3. Teak Wooden Kitchen Utensil Set. This kitchen utensil set is crafted from 100% natural teak wood. It's sturdy and odor-free, perfect for everyday use. The natural wooden texture adds a touch of nature to your kitchen, making cooking more enjoyable. This set includes a variety of tools such as spatulas, ladles, and spoons. They are designed to handle various cooking tasks. This versatile set has everything you need. These wooden utensils are highly heat-resistant and won't melt like some other materials. They are safe for use on non-stick pans, with rounded edges to prevent scratches. You can use them with confidence. Cleaning is simple, just wash with mild detergent and water. Each utensil has a hanging hole for easy storage, helping you keep your kitchen organized. This design makes it easy to dry and store. Each utensil is made from a single piece of teak wood, with a smooth, polished surface. There are no splinters or imperfections. This set is a chef's favorite and makes a great gift. What we like. Made from natural teak, this set offers a touch of nature to your kitchen. The set includes multifunctional tools, and is easy to clean. If you like a set that combines functionality with a natural aesthetic, you should consider this. What people say. They are beautiful, offset, and cleanup is a breeze. Very sturdy and look great on your countertop too. Really great quality, easy to clean, and they look really nice. Number 2. Zulay Kitchen 6-piece wooden spoon set. These high-quality wooden utensils are specially made to serve all your cooking needs. This set includes a salad spoon, salad fork, serving spoon, skimmer, spatula, and turner. They bring a classic touch to your kitchen. Made with durable teak wood, this set is water-resistant. It's easy to clean with soap and water. You can hang them to dry or dry them in an upright position. This set is made of premium quality teak wood, known for its strength. The soft touch, lightweight design means you can use them on your non-stick cookware without worry. It won't cause any scratches. These utensils are beautifully crafted from teak wood. It's a great gift idea for anyone who loves to cook, or even for your own personal use. It will bring class and sophistication to your kitchen. We love this wooden cooking utensil set and back it up with a lifetime guarantee. If there are any issues, just contact us and we will make it right. Order now and be assured that this product will live up to your expectations. What we like. This set is made with top-notch craftsmanship and a scratch-free design, perfect for protecting your non-stick cookware. It's also an ideal gift for cooking enthusiasts. If you are looking for a stylish and practical set, this is the one for you. What people say. They are beautiful and well made. The utensils are very well made and sturdy. They are perfect for my non-stick cookware. Number 1. Woodenhouse 8-piece teak wood cooking utensil set. These Woodenhouse kitchen utensils are made from one-piece, 100% natural teak wood, ensuring they will last a lifetime. They are beautifully designed, solid, and have a superb finish. You won't have to worry about them cracking, melting, or retaining odors. This comprehensive set includes 6 cooking utensils to meet all your needs. It also comes with a wooden barrel for storage, complete with drainage holes, and a spoon rest for a clean cooking experience. Plus, it includes 6 hanging hooks to display this wooden art. Choose this healthy, eco-friendly alternative that's free of chemicals, unlike silicone. It's safe for your non-stick pots and pans, preventing scratches and damage. These heat-resistant and sustainable utensils are a great alternative to plastic. For best results, hand wash these utensils in warm, soapy water, rinse, and dry them thoroughly. Maintain them with mineral oil to keep them smooth. You can use the wooden container for dry storage or hang them from the stainless steel hooks. This set makes a unique and perfect gift. You'll find great satisfaction with these Woodenhouse tools. If you're not completely happy, please contact us for a prompt replacement or refund. What we like. This set is an all-in-one solution, including utensils, a holder, a spoon rest, and hooks. It's a healthy and eco-friendly alternative to plastic. If you are looking for a complete and convenient set with everything you need, you should consider this. What people say. These wooden spoons feel so sturdy and well-made, yet gentle enough to use on both my regular and non-stick pans without worrying about scratches or damage. The set comes with a handy holder, which keeps everything organized and easy to access while I cook. These are very well-made and beautiful cooking utensils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.